If you're tired of having dull skin, if you're tired of seeing your skin very, very dull, and you want to have a brighter skin, a glowy skin, a radiant skin like me this year, 2025, then this video is a video that you should watch from the beginning till the end. Because at the end, I will share the tips on how I was able to achieve this glowy and brighter skin, okay? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's my favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'm talking about 2 body lotions that would help to brighten your skin like magic. If you're looking for that magic in a bottle, then this particular product I'm going to be talking about in this video is the product that you should be purchasing this year, okay? Number one is that they are affordable and they are effective. Affordable and effective. You know that on this particular channel I review affordable products that are very affordable and effective. If it is not affordable and effective, we are not buying. So the very first product that we're going to be talking about will have to be this particular product, okay? This is Face Fact Vitamin C Body Lotion, and this particular body lotion is packed with vitamin C. It brightens, tones, and revive your skin. So if you are tired of having that dull skin, that skin that is not glowy, that skin that is not radiant, that skin that is just there, it's not even bright, okay? Then this particular body lotion is a body lotion that you should purchase this year, 2025, okay? It's sold for 8,000 naira or highest 8,500 naira depending on your location. Okay, so this particular body lotion contains vitamin C. Here's the reason why I would advise that you use it only at night, because of its sun sensitivity. It's sensitive to the sun because it contains vitamin C. Any product that is vitamin C infused is best used at night, especially if you do not have a body what they call a body sunscreen that would help to keep your skin protected from the harmful UV ray. If you know you don't have a body sunscreen, please use this particular product at night. I personally use it at night, so it's not bad if you use it at night. It is not going to like be so bad if you use it at night, and it's not going to like have any repercussion for you using it at night because the sun is not out at night. This particular product will help to brighten your skin because it contains vitamin C, and it also helps to moisturize your skin and give you that tender loving care that your skin is looking for this year, 2025. I started seeing visible results on my skin when I started using this particular product. When I added it to my body care combo, I started seeing visible results. So I know what I'm saying when I said that this particular product brightens the skin, like it deeply bright, like it brightens the skin, okay? So when it comes to the texture, it does not have a runny texture, and I will not say that it has a thick texture. It's just in between. And when it comes to like the consistency, it's actually light, like it quickly absorbs to your body, onto your body, sorry. It quickly absorbs onto your body, and it gives you this shine that your body is looking for. Like, see how my skin is shiny and my skin is moisturized. Like, it deeply moisturizes the skin and gives you this shiny effect that your skin needs. And then when you use this particular product, like over time, you're going to be noticing that your skin will be brighter and your skin will be more radiant. So when it comes to the body lotion that you're going to use in the morning, I would say that you should lay your hand on this particular body lotion, which is Dove Invigorating Care. I've used this body lotion for years. I know what I'm saying anytime I'm talking about Dove body lotion, okay? Please, Dove brand, if you're watching, sign the girl already. Sign me already, because I'll be the best ambassador to market this particular brand, okay? So this particular Dove body lotion is the original Dove body lotion. It contains 100% natural oil, and let us read what is at the back, okay? At Dove, we believe in body love. That means caring for our bodies and showing them some love, no matter how we are feeling about them. So even if you are feeling that your body is dull, your body is not bright, Dove lotion understands that your skin needs to be brighter. So they say, no, revive your skin with Dove Invigorating Care body lotion made with natural oil and 100% plant-based moisturizer that fast absorbs to your skin. Like, it has avocado oil that instantly softens your skin, and it also keeps your skin fresh. And also the scent from this body lotion is amazing. It has a nice scent, okay? So when it comes to the price, it's usually between 6,000 to 6,500 naira depending on your location. And for the texture, okay, or the consistency, sorry, it has a runny consistency, as you can see. Like, it drops on its own. it drops on its own. That is the reason why I love this particular product. So let us blend it in and see how it's going to feel on our skin. Anytime I use the body lotion, like, I'm always happy, as if it is my first time of using this body lotion. So I've already like applied it on my hand, and as you can see, I don't know if you can really, if the camera is doing justice to the glow that is coming from this body lotion. It makes you to glow, like you're going to be glowy and you are going to be radiant when you use it. Okay, so I would say that you use this particular one in the morning and then you use this one at night, and you are going to be seeing effective results like as soon as possible, ASAP. Hey, like if you are looking forward to glow this year 2025 and you are not using these two body lotions, I don't know what you are using. Like, I would want to know what you are using, because this is the best body lotions to use this year 2025 to achieve a brighter and a same skin tone. Like, it evens out your skin tone. As you can see on my body, I do not have like uneven skin complexion. My body is even, like it evens out your body complexion and makes everywhere to just be the same skin tone. Okay, yes, so these two products are the body combo when it comes to body lotion that you can use this year 2025 and achieve a good result. So now let us talk about the tips, because these particular tips I'm going to be dropping in this video will be the reason why your skin will be glowing. So tip number one, get your pen, let us take notes. So tip number one is that you're going to exfoliate. Yes, you're going to exfoliate your skin with a good body scrub. I use Dr. Mania, okay, and you're going to be exfoliating your skin 2 times in a week. Yes, are you? I hope you are writing it down. Are you right? Make sure you are writing in this class. Okay, so you're going to be exfoliating your skin 2 times in a week. I do mine Tuesday nights and Saturday nights. You can do yours any night that you choose. Okay, I will say do it at night so that you'll be more relaxed. You will not be rushing, so you take your time to exfoliate your body. And when it comes to the parts to exfoliate, you majorly focus on your knuckles, your knees, your elbow. Those parts are the parts that actually make our skin to be uneven, and when you exfoliate and concentrate there, okay, you would notice that your skin will even out, and then you go in with these body products and you will see that your body would be glowy and your body will be radiant. Tip number 2, okay, is that you're going to be backing it up with a body oil. Yes, you're going to backing these products with a body oil. And for body oil to use when you're using the Dove Invigorating Care, I would suggest that you buy baby oils. Okay, you can buy from Cousin, Johnson, Pierce, any of these brands that you love. The body oil would help to lock in the ingredient that comes from this body lotion, keep it intact so that they will work wonders on your skin. If you add body oil to this product, you are going to be seeing good result. Like, there is no way you are not going to be seeing good result. And let me also mention in this video, because I've gotten these comments a lot in my comment section. Are you going to pour the body oil inside your body lotion? No. Okay, write it in your book. No. You will not mix your body oil inside your body lotion. You will apply your body oil after you are done applying your body lotion. You see the way that I just apply my body lotion, okay? I will allow you to sit into my body like, let's say 2 minutes. Then I will go in with my body oil. That way you are using it the proper way. If you mix your body oil inside your body lotion, you're not going to get any good result. It will not work that way, because everything is incorporated together. And that way, which one will now lock in the ingredients? I don't know if you understand my point. So you're going to be needing your body oil to lock in the ingredients from your body lotion. Okay, so when it comes to this particular body lotion, okay, if you use it at night, you should obviously get a good brightening body oil or body gel that contains vitamin C, turmeric, and kojic. It depends on what you want your skin to actually achieve. If you want to like brighten like as fast as possible, like ASAP, you will get the ones that contain turmeric and kojic. But if you want that radiance and the glow to just come, gradually, I would say that you get the one that contains vitamin C. Personally, for me, I use Desire vitamin C body oil. I've also used the body gel, but I would prefer that you get the body oil, because that one is super effective. When you are done with this body lotion, you go in with the body oil, and then you lock in the moisture that will come from this body lotion and the ingredients as well. And then you're going to see that you are going to be glowy and you are going to be radiant this year 2025. Tip number 3 is that you're going to stay hydrated. You're going to be taking water, okay? Take water, write it. You're going to be taking water, and you're going to be taking fruits that contain water as well, like that have high water content, like watermelon, cucumber, what else? Also brightening fruits. There are fruits that I call brightening fruits that will help to brighten your skin from the inside, like carrots. You know, if you take all these fruits and also take water, like keep your system hydrated, like your gut health to be healthy, so that you will have a clear skin from within. It will work from the inside, and then you use these products on the outside. You'll be getting good results when you do this. So if you have watched the particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. Here I give affordable products that would help to give you that radiant and brighter skin that we all are looking for this year 2025. And also on this channel, I do all things related to skincare, any product review, anything at all, feminine hygiene, girls tips. I tell you tips that would help whatever I'm sharing on this platform to work and work effectively. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video on this platform. Like this content. If you just love what you just watched on your screen, leave a comment in the comment section and share this video to someone that you know is tired of having a dull skin. And until next time, I love, stay glowy and bye.